Hi friends, this is 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will know how to check green tinting issue in your phone, Nothing Phone One Smartphone, and is really there the green tinting issue. Let's you will check it and you can see the live demo. Let's go into the video. First, go to the settings of your phone, and now go to the display. Go to the display and click on colors. Okay, now we will check it. For that, just switch off all light, and you got to just check it in the dark, and I switch off and reduce the brightness level now. Reduce the brightness level. There is no such tinting issue. Also put in the dark mode. Go to the settings and click on display and turn on dark mode. And see that there is no tinting issue. Okay, as reported by other users, it's a fake report, and maybe it has been developed by other makes like OnePlus, because they are the competitor of this phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.